Well, hello friend. Have you ever have problems pertaining to the sound quality of your video when you're recording videos for your YouTube or for your personal use using your electronic devices, be it an iPad, be it a laptop, be it an iPhone, be it any devices, and you wish you could have a noise cancellation device, but when you go to the net, it's quite expensive. So stay tuned with me. Today I'm going to talk about astonishingly cheap, in fact free of cost, to make a noise cancellation devices using a normal headset. So what you need is just two things or one thing. Yes, you're right, you just need a socks. Yes, and a winter socks or small socks will suffice your need. So what you need to do here is that you need to go to your section of your headphone, okay, and then you need to put this socks like this. I'll show you. Take this headphone and like this, put this inside this and here, and now you record it and put this the other knob into your electronic device and talk like this, and trust me, the voice quality will be amazingly good. Now the reason behind is that the fibers or the normal socks fiber, the winter socks fiber, they cancel the any kind of external noise, and your voice quality will be impeccable. Now some I know you you must be having a socks, but let's suppose you say I don't even have a socks. Then what you do, you get a lint, yes, lint from your dryer, and wrap that lint around the dryer, kind of a thin layer of around it, and here you go. You again have a noise cancellation headphone, and you try to record it, and trust me, the voice quality will be amazingly, astonishingly beautiful. Like, you will feel in love with your voice at the sound again. So try this technique at your home and let me know in the comment if it works for you. And I'm quite sure it will definitely work for you. And thanks for watching. Thank you.